In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So at first you need to enter the settings, then find and select Advanced Settings and go to Language and Input. And then click on Language, click on Add Language, and now you can scroll through the through the list of languages. As you can see, you've got plenty of possibilities. Just pick the one that you would like to apply, choose the region, slide it up to the first place, because you need to put the default language to the first place. And from now on, your device would be in Romanian. So this is it, this is how you can change language. And then if you'd like to go back to English or maybe change it again to any other language, just remove unnecessary language from here and pick another one. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.